In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Jotform from one account to another. Let's say you've built the perfect form in one Jotform account, and now, for some reason, you need to transfer that over to another account, maybe for a colleague or a different branch in your organization. The good news is that this process is straightforward, and I'm here to guide you through each step so that you understand exactly what to do. First, you'll need to start by logging in to the Jotform account that currently owns the form you want to transfer. Open up Jotform in your preferred web browser and enter your login credentials to get started. Once you're logged in, locate the form you'd like to copy. You can easily find it by browsing through your list of forms on the platform. Next, you'll need to get the Share Form URL. This is a crucial step as this link will allow you to recreate the form in the new account. To get this, click on More next to the form, then go to Share Form. Alternatively, you might find it under Publish and then Quick Share. Copy the direct form link that appears on the screen. This is the URL that you'll need for importing the form into the new account. Now log into the second Jotform account. This is the account where you want the form to be copied. You can do this by opening Jotform in a different browser or by logging out of the current account and logging in with the new one. Once logged in, head over to My Forms. From there, click on Create Form. You will see an option that says Import Form. Select it and then choose From a Web Page. This is where that direct form link you copied earlier will come into play. At this point, paste the form's URL into the designated field. Make sure everything is correct and then click Continue. Jotform will automatically import the form into the second account. This transfer will include all fields' existing form logic and any specific designs you've integrated. And there you have it! Your form is now successfully copied from one account to another. Whether it's for collaboration or just keeping things organized, this method ensures that your hard work is effortlessly transferred, saving you the time and effort of starting from scratch. Remember, this is a fantastic way to share your well-crafted forms and maintain consistency across different teams or projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment or reach out for more guidance.